te reihi, rua rau, rua te kaumātahi, ngā tāne te kaumaiwa tau, me raro iho te pakeke taki ono, 500 mita Te Ihu Final, kei te aratuatahi, te kura kaupapa o Ruamata, Mount Albert Grammar School kei te aratuarua, Hamilton Boys High School, Rotorua Boys High School, Gisborne Boys High School, Manukura, ngā tai Aotea Wharekura, te rangi āniwaniwa, Te Ihu Final High School kei te aratua iwa. What a lineup! This is going to be a close final. Fastest qualifiers in the middle of the race course I tēnei rā.
Here we go. Grand final, last men's race of today. Under 19 boys, W6 500.
Haruru mai te whare.
Kia kaha brothers. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Red flag, red flag. Get up, get up.
Hissing at lane 2, getting up on that start line.
Lane 2 with a... Oh. Mount Albert Grammar.
No rolling starts today at Te Whānau.
Oh,
Here we go.
Lane 3 cracked it. Hamilton Boys high. Lane 3, they cracked the rolling start.
Ko te whiringa toa I te wahanga te ihu e te whānau. Oh, look at that rate in lane 1, te kura kaupapa o Ruamata.
Ruamata, they are going at it I te whānau. They are out there.
E hia kai ana. Atu te ara tuawha. Rotorua Boys High School.
Raukura out there, lane 5 going hard.
Oh, Te Ritorika steering them.
Oh, Te Rito, he has been a gun the last week with his turns.
Ka kite, let's see if he can hold on, if his boys can work together. Atu, I te ara tuawha, me te ara tuarima, Gisborne Boys High School, tūranga nui a kiwa.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go, Te Rito, angling in.
Here we go. Out there in lane 13, they have pushed into their turn. Gisborne Boys, Rotorua Boys and Tahiti, they are in.
Ooh, kissing the boy in lane 4 e te whānau. Rotorua Boys High School.
Oh, Rotorua with a spin of a turn. They are out.
Half a waka length already, Rotorua Boys High School.
Oh, lane 4, whānau, they are out. Gisborne Boys on the catch and Tahiti, they are also on the catch.
Ko te aratuarua, te aratuarima, me te aratua iwa, e pakanga nei tēnei wā.
Oh, can they close the gap? I do not think so. Rotorua is clearing at the moment.
Building for a strong finish in lane 4, Rotorua Boys High School, ko tahiro mita. Te Ihu possibly closing the gap on them.
Oh, and Rotorua, they are finishing strong. Your 2025 W6 500 meter champions. Rotorua Boys High School.
Atu I te aratuarima, Gisborne Boys High School. And we didn't see who came third. Ko wai.
Hamilton Boys, whānau, Hamilton Boys.
Ko te aratua toru pea, Hamilton Boys High School, Tani wharau whero, mo te me tara rau whero. Rotorua Boys High School, Tarawera Tengua Owo tātou whakaihu aka, named after the lake just over the hill e te whānau, nā whai anō, ko rātou o tātou whakaihu aka.